You know what? Rain or no rain, this is still pretty cool. Look at this. There we go, we got ourselves a nice little shelter. Gonna need it because I've already wet my pants. It was built in 1937, so it's almost 90 years old. Well, this is a pretty slick little shelter. Look at the big old solid benches here. It's got a nice little shelf up here you can sleep on or use for storage. It's a volcanic hot spring. Whew! Yeah, that's boiling. Look at all the steam coming off this water. That is so awesome. Well, this is a pretty cool spot, but I gotta get my tent set up. I am really wet and cold. Only 7:15. Well, the sun set about an hour ago. It is getting dark so early nowadays.